At 7:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for north central and south central Alberta. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Rimbey, Crestamere, Eckville, and Lacombe. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.